Hello and welcome to Chamberites interview. In today's episode of Chamber Entrepreneurs, we are in conversation with Jennifer Pinto, founder of Go Destino Tours and Travels. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to our show.
Thanks for inviting me, Shakti. It's nice to
Okay.
be on your show.
Ma'am, let's begin with the episode. Ma'am, my first question to you will be what made you
Yeah.
start your own company after 20 years of being a homemaker?
Shakti, I used to work in the corporate world,
Okay.
and then I got married. And when I got married, I stayed. I went around with my husband, who was in the merchant navy,
Okay.
sailing.
Okay.
So after a couple of years, we had our children.
Yeah.
Those years went in raising them. And then when they are around 15, 16, I said to myself, okay, now they don't really need me.
Okay.
So why not I do something with my life? I just didn't want to sit and do nothing.
Mm-hmm.
So then it struck me like, I'm very passionate about traveling and I love going to different places. So I said, why not I do something about it?
Mm-hmm.
So that's how I decided, like, I'll do something in travel
Okay.
business. So
Okay.
that's how I started, and I think in 2016, Go Destino took its first baby steps.
Okay. So, ma'am, since you were a new company, people do have trust
Hmm.
issues with a new company. So, how did you manage to convince them?
See, Shakti, 90% of my clients are known people, my friends.
Okay.
So whenever when I started promoting myself, it's my friends and my family who supported me.
Okay.
And once they were happy with my service, they decided to promote me to their friends and family.
Okay.
As far as unknown people and strangers are concerned, some of them came through, some of my guests came through Facebook page, which we have.
Okay.
And after looking at the reviews and, seeing the feedback and the pictures on the Facebook, they had that confidence, ki, okay, I can do it. I can deliver what I say.
Okay.
And that's how I went about it.
Okay. So, ma'am, online services are easily available for traveling. Has it
Yeah.
been a disadvantage for you?
Yes, it is a disadvantage because in online, what happens is you get very good deals, especially
Ah,
hotels,
yes,
flights.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
but the thing is that there is also a disadvantage because if at all you do a booking and if it doesn't go through for some
Mm-hmm.
reason, you reach your destination and then when you reach the hotel, they say, oh, you don't have a booking or the hotel is overbooked.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have a problem because then you have to meet the customer care and then you keep calling them up and they don't reply. So
Mm-hmm.
because it's very difficult to get to the customer care.
Right.
So then that's the disadvantage in online booking. Also, when you go to these big companies, like big
Mm-hmm.
brands in travel,
Mm-hmm.
people go on group tours. They
Right.
think कि 15 दिन में I can see 12 countries.
Mm-hmm.
But they don't realize that it is so hectic and so challenging because at the end of the day, they don't really enjoy the tour. I know people who have come and said, हम जब गए थे तो हमको टूर डायरेक्टर बोल रहा है कि लेफ्ट में देखो जर्मनी जा रहा है
Okay.
राइट राइट में देखो और कुछ हो रहा है सो
अच्छा.
दिस इज वी बेसिकली we saw most of the country sitting in the bus.
Okay.
So that's one challenge. Whereas if you come to me, one thing is that I can assure you that what I promise is what I deliver. If there is any problem on the tour, for some reason you're not happy with the driver, you're not happy with the hotel room, I try and sort it out immediately. It's very rare that it's not being sorted, but most of the time, 99.9%, it's sorted.
So, ma'am,
Secondly,
what kind of tools you are specialized in?
I'm mostly into customized tours. Yeah, in the sense like when you come to me, you say, okay, we are a family of four, or we are a group of 20.
Hmm.
This is our budget. These are the number of people. These are the activities we want to do, or I suggest these are the activities that you can do. These are the number of days that you need to have if you're doing these many activities.
Hmm.
So basically, it's all customized as per your needs. It's
Okay.
not about, we don't have a itinerary which is always fixed. You can
Hmm.
do it the way you want it. Like you want to have half a day tour and then half a day you want to relax and do
Hmm.
your shopping,
Hmm.
which is only possible in a customized tour. It is not possible in a group tour because
Hmm.
in group tours, what happens, they give you a very specific time.
Right.
You have only 2 hours,
Right.
and within 2 hours you need to report at a particular place to come back to the tour.
Right.
So that is customized.
Okay.
And I have people on the travel who have gone to these group tours, and they said it's very difficult to be on a group tour because they choke a block it so much that you don't have breathing space.
Right.
You don't have the time to sit and say, okay, I just don't want to do anything now for the next 1 hour. I just want to sit down. But
Yes.
it's not happening on a group tour.
Hmm.
So that's the only disadvantage of being in a group tour. Yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, since you mentioned that you are passionate about traveling, how many countries have
Mhm.
you traveled to, and which is your favorite country?
I have been to almost 20 countries and 43 cities.
Hmm.
And if I have to pick, it's very difficult to pick which one.
Hmm.
But I would pick Switzerland and Italy as one of my top two. And some these are the places I don't mind. Generally, I don't like going to the same place again.
Okay.
But these are the two countries I would definitely want to visit again.
Hmm.
Switzerland, of course, because it's so beautiful and it's so scenic. It's just like watching a postcard.
Actually.
And Italy is the place in Italy which I would like to go is Tuscany, which is in Florence.
Yeah.
Uh, there are a lot of vineyards over there, and what we experienced was the vineyard, the wines, the wine tasting, the cheese tasting. So these are the things that not only me but even my family enjoyed it. So definitely that's again on my bucket list to go back and add a few more places in Italy.
Okay.
So mm,
So you mentioned about a bucket list. So you have any other countries in your mind?
yes, I do.
Yeah.
And yes, Vietnam would be one.
Okay.
Vietnam, why? Because it's got amazing food over there.
Okay.
And the next would be South Africa because South Africa, again, if I have to go for a game drive, Kruger is one of the best.
Right.
And thirdly would be Bhutan. It's a land of smiles.
Okay. Sure. Acha, ma'am, because of this pandemic, people have stopped traveling, and it has affected travel industry a lot. So, how do
Hmm.
you see 2021 will be uh, will be coming?
So, Shakti, pandemic has affected not only the travel business, but I think it has affected almost all the businesses everywhere globally.
Okay.
Uh, See, from what I see at the moment, there has been like, we are all cooped up in the house and
Right.
everybody is so frustrated and they just want to get out. I know
Hmm.
people are, friends of mine will say, Jennifer, abhi, I am just fed up. मुझे अभी बाहर निकलना है, कहीं भी जाना
Hmm.
है. Like, we want to go to Marine Drive. Yes, they are very happy even to go to Marine Drive. They are also happy to just go for a quick getaway.
Right.
And the quick getaway, they want to do Lonavala and all these other places. Of course, the quick. I also did a quick getaway right now in Goa,
Okay.
and everybody said, "Abhi to pandemic hai, everything is closed." But when we went to Goa, I was quite shocked because the beaches were chock-a-block with people.
Okay.
It only showed it told me that people are really fed up of being sitting at home. So they're all out there. But
Right.
of course, everybody's taking their precautions of wearing a mask, sanitizing, all that. So
Yes.
what I feel, Shakti, is that it's 2021 is going to be a great year for people, for travel agents, especially because I know a lot of people will be traveling into to 2021 once this pandemic
Absolutely.
just eases off. So
Yes.
looking for a good year in 2021.
So, Jennifer, where do you see yourself after 5 years from now?
Where do I see myself 5 years from now? Very good question. I see like 10,000 smiling customers from Go Destino Travels. That's what I'm looking at 5 years from now.
Good luck with you for that, ma'am. For your 10,000 customers.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you are one of them. I hope you are one of them.
I will be. I will be. Acha, ma'am, thank you so much
Yeah,
for
okay.
joining us, ma'am, for your time.
Yeah. Thank you, Shakti, for inviting me on your show. It's great to be here. All the best to you for your new channel, Jambu Rights, and God bless you.
Thank you.
And see you
Thank you, ma'am.
soon.
Okay. Yes, sure. Sure, bye.
Sure. Okay, bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye.